Hey, hello, Sunday morning, and I'm here. As I promised you before, in the last video that I will tell you about meditation. And dear friends, if something has changed my life, it is meditation. Trust me. I was not like fan of meditation some 4 years before, but after that, when I realized that meditation is the key, today my life had changed. I used to get nervous, anxious, panic, worry, and that rumination was there. Do you have that kind of? If any incident has happened, if you are disturbed due to some incident, you keep on thinking about that incident day and night for many days, sometimes weeks also. Does this happen with you? I was also a victim of the same rumination, we can call it as. Overthinking is your problem. We think about thinking, we think too much, and it really gets out of your control and your head start aching. Has this happened to you? Well, many of my students have asked me this question that, sir, one student asked me, I remember him that, sir, when there is a fight with someone, I keep on replaying that video in my mind again and again and again, and I want it to go. It's not going. What to do with this? Well, I have a solution for this, which I have just said that I tried with meditation. Dear friends, our institute, as you know, it's communication, emotional personality, public speaking skills. So meditation is also a part of that. Personality development is not only about good communication, fluency, good looks, good clothes. It's about actually a stable mind. It's about a calm and composed mind. It's about handling the stress, the difficulties, anxieties, uncertainties of our life. And we all are going through that. No one has missed this. Well, I'm going to tell you a meditation technique where you are not required to sit in a cave for 30 years. But with this simple meditation technique, you can calm your emotional brain. You can be more composed. You can take better decisions. You can handle yourself in a better way. And most important thing, you can deal with those thoughts which come, disturb you, and stay there. I'm going to tell you how to do this. So, understand one thing. In a research, it is found that 50% or more than that, our 50% of the time, our mind wanders. It just keeps on wandering. It keeps on thinking about the past, the events that have happened, or it will keep on thinking about the future, the worries, the anxieties about the future. Happens with you, right? Okay. Now, actually, our mind is more stable when it is in the present. When it is involved in the present activity, when you're doing something, it can be your study, it can be your project, whatever, your mind is more stable, you're more happier. The moment you go in the past or in the future, disturbance starts. I think I'm hitting the nail on the head. Is it working? Yes. Now what happens? Understand what happens. We are thinking without knowing that we are thinking. This is called as a default mode network. We are thinking without knowing that we are thinking, and due to this default mode network, our mind gets completely disturbed, agitated. Now what do we do is, we do that which we should not do to deal with this situation. If there are a lot of thoughts in your mind, if your mind is full of thoughts and you're worried and anxious, what do? You want to avoid those thoughts. You want that the thoughts should go. Because we have the unique ability of thinking about thinking. It's called as metacognitions. When you're thinking about some thoughts, you are thinking about those thoughts and you think like, I should not think, let them go. They don't go. Exactly, right? So to overcome this, meditation is really powerful. Now, what we have to do is, in meditation, what do? We look at the thoughts which come to us. I repeat again, in meditation, what do? We look at the thoughts. We don't judge them. We don't call them negative or positive. We don't debate with them. We don't force them to go. We just look at them non-judgmentally, with kindness, with compassion. Just look at those thoughts. But if you debate with those thoughts, if you fight with those thoughts, if you want them to go, they will stay there. They will be more stubborn. But if you just look at the thoughts curiously, non-judgmentally, slowly they will die their own death. This is the purpose of meditation, is awareness about your thoughts and awareness that, I am having those thoughts. But while doing meditation, you should not think that, okay, I'm doing meditation, now my thoughts will slowly go, as Sandeep Patil has told. Again, this is a secondary disturbance, and if that doesn't happen, there is no point of meditation. The purpose of meditation is not to gain any results, or not to be calm, or not to get rid of the thoughts. The purpose of meditation is just be an observer of your thoughts and be aware of your thoughts. That's the purpose of meditation. Getting it? So let's start here. First thing what you have to do is sit in a straight, relaxed posture. Take a deep breath inside. Inhale inside. And down. Exhale from your mouth. Simple, simple. Now, slowly close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes. And now, bring your breathing pattern to the normal pace. Okay? Now when your mind is there, your mind will be jumping, your mind will be moving in the past, in the future. Don't worry about that. Just calm down and now take your focus on your breathing. Take your focus on your breathing. Bring your focus on your breathing. Focus on your breathing, focus on your nostrils, focus what's happening over there. Just focus that, and now see where is your mind going. Your mind will distract somewhere because you won't be able to concentrate for more than 2 or 3 minutes. It's too much actually. Anyway, it's okay now. So keep on doing this. First of all, do this meditation. Only this, focusing on your breathing, only for 2 to 3 minutes every day, if you are a first time meditator. Okay, after that, after around 20 days, increase that 2 to 3 minutes and add 2 more exercises in this. Now what to do? It's very simple. Close your eyes now and relax yourself, and while doing the meditation, bring your awareness, bring that awareness around your surrounding. Means what? Now while I am recording this video, still I can hear some sounds around. I can hear some traffic outside there. Still I can hear that. Now you have to close your eyes and listen to the sounds around you. It can be anything. It can be traffic, it can be the fan, it can be someone talking in the background. That is awareness. You are aware of the surrounding. That is, you are aware of what's happening. This awareness is very important, so that the emotional part of the brain is aware of what's happening around you. Because then what happens, if you are thinking from amygdala, that's the emotional part of the brain, mostly you will be disturbed. But when that neocortex or prefrontal cortex parts come into action, see, when you do meditation, the prefrontal cortex comes into action. The prefrontal cortex comes into action, and now your emotional brain will calm down. Because you are aware that what's happening around, you are aware that your mind is disturbed. This is the second, that is awareness of the surrounding. Be aware of the surrounding. Okay, now what we are doing is, first is focusing on your breathing, the first thing. Second, after that is, after 3 minutes are finished, now bring your awareness around you. Your mind will be diverted, distracted all the time. Don't judge, don't force, don't abuse yourself or label yourself that you are not able to concentrate. It's all about patience. Now, the third and last is, be aware of the sensations in your body. So you can continue this more, 4 to 5 minutes. Like now, just start scanning your body. Start checking your body for sensations. If there are some pains in your head, pains with your shoulders, or touch of your clothes with your skin, touch of your body with the chair, touch of your shoes if you're wearing a shoes, or if you have, if you're barefooted, touch of your sole with the place where you are sitting. All these are body sensations. This is what you have to do. This is the meditation. This is the awareness. And now you are doing it for 10 minutes. You can increase that to 15 minutes. Every day, only 15 minutes of meditation. If you do, I do every day, you will see the changes in you. In 2 months, you will see a big change in you, provided you do it regularly and without any break. Okay, guys? Meditation, amazing gift which India has given to this world. I'm so proud of this. But we Indians are not following that. And I'm studying meditation since last, to be very frank, since 2013 I'm doing all these things. And I have seen that people in the West have done a lot of research, but in India there is no research. People are not aware of this, and we are stressed, anxious, worried, blood pressure and diabetes and all psychosomatic illnesses are there. That is not going to happen. From today onwards, make meditation as a part of your life. Make meditation as daily part. Meditation is about training your mind muscles. Exercise is training your body muscles, but mind must be strong and stable. Meditation is disciplining your mind. Meditation is handling your mind. Meditation is looking at your mind. Meditation is an exercise for your mind. Right, friends? So I'm sure all of you are going to do this. Keep on doing this. I wish you all a very healthy mind, a very happy mind. Stress, anxiety, uncertainty, competition, failures are going to come. But meditation is such a technique which will help you to pass all these difficult tasks, all these difficult times in your life. My best wishes and happy meditation. Do it every day for 15 minutes. Bye-bye.